Hey everybody, welcome back to another video. Today I'm doing a review on it's a security system for an alarm, so for literally for your motorbike, or I bought for my motorbike anyway. Could use it for a normal bike, but you could get better ones, you could get cheaper ones. You wouldn't need such a heavy duty one like this for a motorbike. Unless it is a race bike, I suppose, but it's very handy. So basically, I bought this, I think it was like between €30 to €40, so they're not cheap. They're a bit expensive, but it's worth it. Or it's worth it with the alarm in case anyone did try to move your bike or touch your motorbike or even do anything with it. That alarm will go off. You can hear that, and probably just scare them away. But this anyway, you have this. So your key goes in here. It's an orange one as well. So alarm, disc lock. Yeah, so for a motorbike, really, the disc lock. And you got this little wire here, so you can, if you wanted to carry it around, you just connect it to that. You don't really need this though, or I haven't really used it either. I just use this, stick that in. You have two keys. Stick the key in there. Key goes in there. Down here for a sec. Put it down. It just fell. Sorry. Well, there. That's a click in there. One click in there. So then you slide that into the disc on the motorbike. Basically, yeah. You just slide that in the motorbike there and then lock it in. Again, then you push in. So you push in, you can see that goes back in. You'll turn the key. So yeah, very good. I would recommend it. My GoPro files, so don't worry about that. But hopefully you found this video helpful. I would recommend these if you did have a motorbike, and if you were in town, if you wanted to make sure it's all secure during the night, I would recommend these. So thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and peace.